Alright, let's get straight to it. Does the Contixo F33 Vortex really live up to the hype, or is it just another flashy drone on your feed? If you're a beginner or hobbyist, this drone actually delivers on most of its promises. Out of the box, it feels sturdy, folds up nicely, and comes with a hard case and a built-in 5.5-inch touchscreen remote. No need to mess with your phone or any complicated apps, just power it up and you're ready to go. The advertised 42-minute battery life? In real-world use, expect about 35 to 40 minutes, which is still better than most entry-level drones out there. And it claims a 6-kilometer range, technically possible, but if you're flying in a city, signal dropouts are a real thing. What makes the F33 stand out is that touchscreen controller. It makes setup super fast and you don't have to worry about notifications or phone calls interrupting your flight. Huge plus for beginners. Now let's talk about the camera. They slap a 4K label on it, but honestly the footage looks pretty grainy, especially if you're shooting in anything but perfect light. And if you're hoping for raw photo support or pro-level settings, you'll be disappointed. Another thing, they say it's got laser obstacle avoidance, and it does, but sometimes it's a little too cautious. I've had it refuse to move forward, even when the coast was totally clear. Plus, you'll need to manually calibrate the compass almost every time you fly. It's not hard, but it gets old fast. If you're just getting into drones and want something easy with all the basics in one box, this is a solid pick. Just remember, at 620 grams, you'll need to register it with the FAA in the US, and those batteries take a while to charge, 3 to 6 hours. So, does the Contixo F33 Vortex work as advertised? For most beginners, absolutely. Just don't expect DJI-level footage or pro features. For casual flights, land surveys, or travel shots, it's one of the easiest ways to get started. Subtitles: Contixo F33 Vortex. Honest review for beginners.